I am Adarsh. Here are our for CBSE Science Expo 2023 to 2024. We have selected the topic agriculture, and by agriculture we have developed a wonderful and amazing concept, that is smart irrigation system. This concept will help in the automatic irrigation in the field of agriculture, and it will prove a lot of benefits. First, we have used a lot of components in this concept, and as I move all around the concepts, I will tell the working of it. At first, we are going to see an LCD display. The sensors connected to this Arduino controller are shown in the LCD display. As you can see here, it can show many values. That is the humidity, temperature, moisture level, air quality level, and harmful gases level. Next off, we have the major component of this entire concept, the Arduino Uno controller. Imagine this as a motherboard of the computer. It's the same here in my concept. Now we are going to explain all the sensors. We'll start from Adarsh.
This is MQ135 sensor. It will help us to detect the level of toxic gases in the atmosphere. With the help of this, it is directly connected with the exhaustic fan. So if the toxic gas in the atmosphere is high, then the exhaustic fan will be running and the toxic gas will be get out of the atmosphere.
Next is the rain sensor. If the sensor detects there is rain coming, then the water pump, which has to pump dry soil, will not pump even if it's dry soil, because it's meaningless to pump water and use water while it's raining. Next off, we have DHT11 sensor.
This is DHT11 sensor. It is ensure the temperature and moisture. With the help of it, it will pump the water to the soil. If the moisture level is high, then it will not pump the water. If the temperature is high, then it will pump the water according to the temperature.
Next, we have light sensor. This will depend upon the sunlight intensity and find out if it's receiving much light or not. As you can see here, I am covering this light sensor with my hand and producing the dark room around it. As you can see, the lights have turned on because it's really dark. This is the working of the light sensor. If I remove my hand, after some seconds, the light will off. Next is the major component, another major component of the concept, the smart irrigation system. Now this water pump is connected to the soil, and within the soil we are having a soil moisture sensor. This soil moisture sensor will detect if the soil is dry or not, and according to it, if the soil is dry, the water pump will pump water. As you can see here, the moisture level shown here is 331. Now any value between 300 and 600 means the soil is wet, and any value between 600 and 1000 means the soil is really dry. Now we are getting near the end of the project. Now my friend and I will discuss the advantages, starting with him.
First, it will save water. So as we are having DHT11 sensor, it will pump the water according to the temperature and dryness of the soil. Second thing is it will increase the yield of the crops grown here.
The third is it will reduce labor and maintenance costs because of the automatic irrigation. And fourthly, it will enhance the environmental stability and also the groundwater depletion. Thank you.